I didn't see it coming. One day I thought I understood the foundation of my life and what it was built on in the next. I discovered it was all a facade, layered with betrayal, financial secrets, and a reality I didn't recognize as my own. What followed was more than heartbreak. It was a war for truth, and to escape a life I had never signed up for. I navigated through hidden accounts, rewritten histories, and lies so deep they made me question everything I thought was real, including myself. I wasn't prepared emotionally, financially, or legally, but I learned fast. I had to. I learned how to document everything, how to think like a detective, how to read between the lines and protect what was mine. I'm proud of all I learned and accomplished, proud of how I've grown through the storm, and most of all, I'm proud of how I stopped reacting and instead learned to lean in, let go, and start rebuilding. I'm Sharon Lee. I'm a certified divorce and recovery coach and the founder of Free My Assets. This work is personal and purposeful, born from a passion I discovered during my own divorce journey, a passion to support women like you finding themselves face to face with a high conflict or a toxic divorce. Passion because divorce isn't always just a divorce. It's often a battle for safety, for clarity, and for the life you still deserve. I work with people waking up to deception sometimes after years or even decades of financial and emotional manipulation. People who don't have time to fall apart, people who need a strategy, and people who need someone steady, calm, and experienced beside them. So I'm inviting you to stay connected, and I truly hope you will. You can start by requesting a free information kit. It's an easy way to take that first step. Or explore the resource library. I've written a ton of helpful material. And if you feel inspired or just need to talk with someone trained to help and who truly understands, perhaps consider scheduling a complimentary coaching session. You can also simply hit the subscribe button and YouTube will take care of the rest. Whatever step you decide is right for you is the right step. Until next time, I hope you take very good care of yourself. And remember, you, my friend, you are the number one asset. So let's set you free.